Hi. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Vieira. I have a PhD in biomedical science and I've done a lot of varied medical research. But I want to talk to you today about a supplement called Alaczen. This is a probiotic supplement and it works for anybody who's suffering from candidiasis, which is just a fancy way of saying a yeast infection or thrush, as well as bacterial vaginosis, which is just a vaginal bacterial infection. Now, a lot of people I know use those over-the-counter drugs, and they help relieve the symptoms of a yeast infection or thrush. But the problem is they don't get to the root cause of this, which is the yeast that's overgrowing in your body. In order to do that, you need a powerful probiotic supplement, something like Alaczen. For those of you who don't know, Candida is a microscopic yeast-like fungus. It naturally lives on your skin and your body, so don't freak out about it. It's even in places like your digestive tract and in your vagina, but normally these yeasts are kept under control. You see, your immune system as well as the good bacteria that live in the vagina make sure that they don't grow out of control. But sometimes this balance between the good and the bad gets messed up. The pH in your vagina will change, the candida or the yeast will multiply rapidly, and it causes burning, soreness, a discharge that comes with that yeast infection or vaginal thrush. Now, the most common culprit behind this overgrowth of yeast is usually if you take a medication. Antibiotics or steroid medications are the two most common ones. But sometimes simple things like stress, pregnancy, menstruation, diabetes, birth control pills, menopause, these can all contribute to you getting a yeast infection. No matter what the cause is though, the combination of ingredients in Alaczen really works. There's 4 powerful strains of bacteria called lactobacillus. And these help to establish the balance between the good and the bad bacteria in your body. And these help to fight off a yeast infection. Now, don't just trust me. There's more than 450 clinical studies that are published. And these show high-strength probiotics, just like the ones found in Alaczen, can safely and effectively prevent yeast from overgrowing in the body and prevent the bacterial vaginosis and the vaginal thrush, all these different things that I'm talking to you about. Now, Alaczen does this in 2 ways. The first thing is that it increases the amount of the good bacteria. And these keep the bad bacteria and the yeast in check. These stop the yeast infections right at the source. Second thing that it does though, it also prevents yeast infection by boosting your immune system. You don't want those yeast infections reoccurring, and having a strong immune system means that your body is vigilant. It's looking for those bad yeasts and those bad bacteria, and it kills them before they get out of control. So for me, when it comes to optimizing your vaginal health, I think that Alaczen is the best supplement you could choose. You just take 1 Alaczen capsule to get 48 billion of the live good bacteria. These are the ones that are going to balance the yeast and the bad bacteria in your body. Just imagine it, in order to get the same amount of good bacteria, you'd have to drink about 480 bottles of one of those yogurt probiotic type drinks. Now, Alaczen is clinically proven. It's manufactured in a GMP approved facility. You can rest assured you're getting the benefit, the quality of a unique, effective, reliable probiotic supplement. It's not available anywhere else, so try it.